I can practice or spelling patterns to build my skills as a reader and a communicator. This is your objective. Say it with me. I can practice or spelling patterns to build my skills as a reader and a communicator. So as we continue working on our phoneme-grapheme mapping, we're going to move on to our next R-controlled vowel sound. We're focusing on the OR sound, like in corn. So, what card are we focused on? We are looking at the R-controlled vowel OR card. What sound is that when you're working on the corn card? Well, the sound is OR. You can see that here. What pattern are we working on? Well, last time R only had one spelling pattern, AR. Now our spelling patterns for OR are OAR, OR, and ORE. So we have 3 different spelling patterns that could spell the sound OR in the words that we're writing today. So let's get started. Our first word, make sure that you have your whiteboard, make sure you have your whiteboard marker. Our first word is going to have 3 boxes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And then make sure you're leaving some room to be able to write that word as well. So our first word is forth, like move forth or go forth. Not like fourth, like you're in 4th place. Forth. So I'm hearing 3 sounds here. We have or, that TH, or forth, F-O-R-T-H. And again, this is not how you spell forth if you're talking about who's in 4th place. That would have another U in there. This is a different kind of forth, like go forth and conquer. Okay, your next word is going to have 4 boxes. Go ahead and draw 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. This word is boring. What sounds do you hear in the word boring? B, or, ing. Now, ing is a funny one because that vowel sound is E, and it's actually spelled with an I. And then the sound you're hearing at the end of that word, when you say it, you should feel your tongue kind of on the roof of your mouth. NG is its own special sound. It's kind of a weird one. But we have B or E. Ing isn't just one sound. It's actually 2 sounds. So let's spell that. B-O-R-I-N-G. Boring. Okay, your next word has 3 boxes. Go ahead and draw 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And the word is born. My baby was born 2 years ago. Born. Sharks are born with sharp teeth. Born. B or N. Born. B-O-R-N. Born. We have one more to try together. Are you ready? This one is going to have 6 boxes. Go ahead and draw 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully I can fit that word on this little line. Okay, the word is forests. There are lots of forests on the outskirts of Germany, and that's how they have all those stories, like fairy tales, that are all about getting lost in a forest, or there's a cottage in the woods. So the word is forests. You should hear that at the beginning. Or forests. Okay, the ists has actually a lot of different sounds. Forests. Forest. Can you hear all those? Forest. Because there's more than one. Let's try spelling that on the side. F-O-R-E-S-T-S. That's supposed to be an E. Forests. Okay, now let's say our words together. Are you ready? Our first word, or, fourth. Our next word, b, or, e, m, boring. B, or, n, born. Or, t, forest. Make sure that you put your whiteboard that you just did together with us into this slide. Insert it into the slide so that we can see your practice work.